Hey my loves, what's up? It's me. I'm back again, guys, and I just got home from work, so my makeup looks really crazy. I'm here to do another unboxing for you guys. I am not standing up today because I have severe cramps that are near death, and I could barely even film this video, but I want to do the unboxing. So here she is. I'm not quite sure what the special embellishments mean on the bag, but it's really cute compared to the other bags where it's just the blue writing and the blue ribbon, the blue handles. These are cute. So I do like shopping bags. I definitely collect them. I'm that person. So what do we get today? So we're gonna start with her. So this is a cute little box that she came in. Let's see. And it slides out like that. She's cute. She's cute. Okay. Excuse me. So it comes with your cute dust bag and the ribbons. Like I said before, they don't tie ribbons on things anymore. So the cute little dust bag, everyone knows. She's so pretty. The Damier Ebene wallet, and this is the Emilie. She's absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to get it hot stamped with my initials right here, NYE, but I guess I'll just take it in and get that done. But then I was like, do I want to get it hot stamped? I'm kind of like unsure if I want hot stamping on my things as of yet. So it has a cute little leather tassel, and then let me see, Louis Vuitton Paris. Yeah, Louis Vuitton Paris. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. You have your button with the Louis Vuitton written on it. You also have a nice zipper compartment, and it's brown leather in there. Inside you have the coated fabric cowhide leather lining, Louis Vuitton, and yeah, so that goes inside. Now on the inside you have the beautiful, the print inside is gorgeous. Look at that, it's so pretty. I didn't even know it had all these extra compartments inside. So you have one compartment here, then you have a huge compartment, then you have another compartment in the back. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments and 4 card slots. That's more than enough for me. And it has this huge gusset right here, so you can put your cell phone in here. You could actually use this like a clutch. Like, you could definitely use this like as a clutch for your night out or what have you. I would probably put this inside so it doesn't get damaged. But yeah, a lot of people say, you know, you gotta be very careful with the Emilie wallet because of the leather button. It can wear off, it tends to wear off, but I still wanted to get it because I felt like it's very sleek, it's very classic, it's gorgeous. You have your Damier Ebene, the print. I really go for the Damier Ebene print. It's just so nice. It goes with like everything that I wear. I mean, it's gorgeous. So let's put her back in her box. So I had my eye on this. I didn't know if I wanted to get this one or if I wanted to get the other one that they had. Like, there's so many wallets to choose from. And I was having like trouble trying to decide which wallet like I should get or what have you, but I feel like this one suits me, and it's classic, it's chic, it's pretty, and it's a good fit. So here I have my envelope receipts for both items. This one Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. This is your return voucher. And as you know, this is your receipt and your sales associate name. This is the Emilie wallet. And yeah, it just shows you the receipt for your purchase. And you always get one of these little informational wallets every time you shop with Louis Vuitton. So, this is my baby girl. I've had my eye on this bag for some time, and I didn't know if I wanted to get the small one, the medium size, or the large, so let's get straight to it, shall we? So you have your traditional dust bag. Ta-da! Okay, so wow, this dust bag is huge. I think this dust bag would actually fit my other bag way better. That's crazy. So this is the Demir Bean Neverfull GM, and this bag is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, okay. So you have your traditional red interior. The new bags have this beautiful, this is just gorgeous. Like, I just can't. So the new bags have the zipper. The older bags didn't have this. So now you can actually put all of your valuables in here to be protected. And it has its signature Louis Vuitton on it right there. You have your Louis Vuitton in Paris. You have your keychain here to put your keys or your wallet, your little key holder thingy. And what I absolutely love about this is the versatility. I'm gonna show you guys why I decided to go with the GM. You also get your beautiful little mini pochette here. It's just so cute. It's like getting two bags in one, because this is a clutch that you can use anytime, anywhere, any place. And it detaches. Let me show you guys. So it comes attached to the inside of the bag, so we can just undo that latch. And here, now you have a clutch that you can take anywhere. So you basically have two bags in one bag. Like, this is your clutch that you can carry with you for a night out. See this? It's gorgeous. Louis Vuitton inside. You have a pocket flap here. So it's literally like having two bags, buying two bags for the price of one. So now you have a clutch, right? Now you have a clutch that you can just take with you anywhere. This is the Demir Bean. Logos on the side. It's beautiful gold accents. So, I'm gonna show you guys the reason why I decided to go with the Neverfull GM is because of the versatility. Now, this bag, you can just cinch the sides in. I was like, okay, if I get the MM, the medium size, it's so small. Like, I saw the bag on people and I was like, that bag is so small and I'm not about to pay that kind of money for that small bag. So I'm gonna cinch the sides in. Give me 1 second. Okay, So I've cinched the sides in, and immediately look at the difference. Now it looks like a classic everyday bag. Cinch the sides, okay? So all you have to do is take the sides in, cinch them inside. So now I have a Neverfull okay? And it looks amazing, right? Now, if I'm traveling, you know, I'm catching a flight, I really want this bag to be used for multiple purposes. That's why I got a GM, because I'm not limited to what I can fill this bag with. So it's huge, as you can see. So I purchased these from Amazon.com, and this is called a BaseShaper. I'm going to put the Amazon link at the bottom so you guys can, you know, take a look. So it's a BaseShaper, and what it does is it comes in different sizes, and you can find a size for any bag that you have. It says, please remove the blue film before use. So we're just gonna take that off. So as you can see, it's an acrylic clear base that goes at the bottom of your purse to maintain the shape and dimension of your bag. Okay, so not only that, but okay, so everybody wants to be noisy on the streets today. So not only that, but it's gonna protect your bag, protect the longevity of your bottom of your bag. So you don't spill anything, it doesn't get damaged, it doesn't get dirty. So you see that BaseShaper there? So that's gonna give you that shape. I don't like when bags sag. I think it's just not my look. It's just not something that I find attractive in a bag. So yeah, that's why I have the BaseShaper. So you can use the BaseShaper, this one. I also purchased a purse organizer from Amazon.com, and I will put the link for this also in the description box. So it's basically like I don't really know how to describe this material, but I thought it would be a little bit more, I don't know, I just thought it would be it's a little stiff. So this is used to maintain the shape of your bag, to organize your bag. It has pockets over here, it has inside pockets, it has an organizer here, it has 1, 2, 3 pockets, you have a big pocket here. So this is the medium size, and I brought this one because if I get a Speedy 30, I could just fit this inside the Speedy 30, but not only that, I can fit it inside the Neverfull when it's cinched. Okay, so just look at how neat and shapely this bag is. The Neverfull is you know, known for being just a throw it all in bag, kind of messy, kind of everyday casual, and you've just taken this bag to another level. Like, this bag is giving me kind of like, I'm trying to think, what's that bag that Louis Vuitton sells that has the V? It's like a V here, and it's gold. It looks just like this. No lie, it looks just like this. But it has like an opening here and a gold V. I forgot the name. It's in my it's on my favorites because I definitely love that bag. I have it in my favorites, but it's called the Kingston bag. So it's not that far off. I mean, it has the bandolier, it has the smaller handle straps, but I mean, if you want something that looks similar, I mean, that bag is $1,860, and the Neverfull GM is also very expensive. It's gorgeous, but look at this. Look at the structure. Look at the structure that the BaseShaper gives the bag. It looks so classy now. Like, what bag is that? Because that is not a Neverfull, sis. What bag is that? So let me show you guys the inside, right? Look at how organized that is. Just look at that. So all of your belongings can be organized beautifully, and it matches the red. So there. So yeah, so those are my 2 purchases for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will put all the links to these purchases down below. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you can see more fashion finds. Follow me at Naisha Thomas _. That's Naisha Thomas _. I will put all the links below. I expect to see you guys, okay? Let's chat. Let's be friends. So yeah, this is her. Someone asked me, oh, like, how do the bags look together? So just so you guys can see together. If you're traveling, if you're catching a flight or what have you. Let me see if I can back up a little more. So this is how it would look together. If you open them up, really good travel companions. So that's how they look together, side by side. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this video, if you're interested in more videos like this. Do keep in touch, let me know, because I want to know what you guys think. I want to know what what your thoughts are, how you guys are feeling about these videos. So let me know and I will keep them coming, okay? So I'll speak to you guys later. Bye.